In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo on ESPN Fantasy Football. So first head over in a new tab and go to postimages.org, and here you can see the choose images button. From here, click this. Next is select the photo that you would like to upload, then open it up, click proceed. And from here, if you scroll down, you can see links generated with this photo. You can copy the link by clicking on the copy button. Now head back to ESPN Fantasy's web page. Then here look for the create a league button and click on it. Now once logged inside, click on the gear icon beside my team. Then next is click on change team logo. Just copy and paste the URL from Post Images website earlier and paste it here. It should then be automatically shown in this section. Then once done, head over and click on Save as Logo. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!